So now I have done my skin, and now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I like eyebrows quite natural as well, so I will always like do my natural shape of my eyebrow. I won't like transform it like the shape that it does. I will add a few more strands of hair, but that's pretty much it. So yeah, I like to start in the area where I see more hair, because I know that I don't need a lot here, so I will finish that area first, and then you will see how I do the rest. I will explain. So let's see if I can do this without covering actually the camera. Might be a bit tricky, bear with me. Okay, so I basically see where I have like certain flaws. Also, I don't like to cover everything, because I mean, again, I love natural makeup, so I don't want to do like a full coverage on eyebrows. I want to do like a full block. So even if I see like empty spaces, I might leave a few. And again, this is the look that I'm going for. You can always do all kinds of eyebrows, and that's the beautiful thing about makeup. You can just do anything you feel comfortable, or the person on your chair feels comfortable. That's the amazing part of it. So I've done here, and now I'm gonna comb all the hairs down, because I want now to do to paint the hairs on the direction that the hairs grow. So in here they grow from down up, and here, if you notice, like the root of the hair, they're here and they're going like that. So that's, I'm just gonna continue mimicking the growing of the hair. Here I like to start from the top, and then I start going down. And now I'm gonna comb up again, and I'm gonna see the result. I'm gonna see if I'm happy, if I've added too much, if it's okay like that, if I want a little bit more. I'm just gonna add a little bit more here in the end, because I like to see. And now I see that there's like a gap here, like there's a lot of hair here, and then it stops, right? And yeah, it's not fluid, I would say. So I want to continue slightly, so it's more gathered, so it's more joined, this transition. So here I'm really gonna add hairs where there is none, or very few. The good thing about this MAC brush is that if you work quite fast, if you go with the comb, you can like fade a little bit the lines that you've just done. I think I'm okay with that. Yeah, I'm gonna skip to the other one, and then I'll see both, and I see if I want to do something else. I also like to see, like, I lean completely my head, because I like to see exactly where the hair is growing, starting to grow. And when I'm doing makeup on someone, yes, that's also something that I really like. I like to see, to comb a lot. I do even like so, like this, and I see exactly where the hair is growing. My mirror is like really moving with the wind, so it's really difficult for me to see anything, to be honest. It's like it's always moving, wobbling. It's kind of windy, this area, but I mean, if it wasn't windy I couldn't really stay here because it's really hot today. I think it's like 35 degrees, but as I usually say, I think I was a lizard in another life. Or a snake from the desert, something like that, maybe a camel. Because yeah, I do love hot weather, not just warm, I love hot weather. I remember being once in Grand Canyon desert and it was 50 degrees, I don't know in Celsius, and like everyone was like hiding in the shade, and I was like the only one in the sun. Like the plastic bottles, they would like shrink with the heat, like cracking, like making a lot of noise. It was really hot, but I was still fine. Like I really felt good. I don't know, I think there's something wrong with me really, because I just really feel the cold. I don't really feel the heat. Usually I like to use 2 different tones for eyebrows, but currently I only have this one, so I'm working with what I have. But I like to use a darker tone and a lighter tone so it blends better on the natural hair, because I mean our hairs are not the same color. And again, if you want to do a natural eyebrow, I think that's a really good way of mimicking the hairs. To finish the eyebrows, I like to use Coconut Dew by Soap Brows. There you go, Soap Brows. It's just basically to make it last longer, and I like to see the eyebrows a little bit wet, again for a summer look. And it holds really well during the day, and I mean it's soap, so it's a natural product, and actually the coconut spray moisturizes your brows, so it's not damaging like a lot of eyebrow gels. I actually have a lot of I had a lot of loss of hair on my eyebrows because I used for a long time eyebrow gels, and it really damaged my eyebrows. I noticed once when I was removing, and I mean I removed my makeup really carefully, but literally like a lot of hair from the eyebrows was coming out. I was like freaking out, so I just stopped using it. I just used the soap. There you go. Then if you want, you can just wait a little bit till it almost dries completely, and then when it's dry, you just press it a little bit to your skin, and it really like helps to hold in place. Yeah. Oh my god, shadow is coming again. Okay, I'm almost finishing. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a lip balm. I'm not going to do anything in my eyes just because I had a sty on my eye recently and it's still healing. I don't know if you can see like a little bit of redness, so I'm not going to touch my eyes. I might just curl my eyelashes. Actually, I'm going to do that now. But yeah, I've not been doing anything like any mascara, anything at all. I really like this eyelash curler. It's from Suku. Shuemura I absolutely love. I mean, it's a classic. But I've been using Suku recently and I really like it as well. I like them both equally. They're really good. I really like to see my eyelashes curled. Even if I don't apply anything on them, like any product, I still like to see them curl. It just opens my eyes. Okay, now I'm just going to do a little bit of lips, and this is from Kat Von D, the lip liner, and the sun is going away. It's making a shadow, so I'm going to try to do this quickly. I hope you can see. I like to outline a little bit outside, slightly, but as I say, you apply it where the natural shadow of your lip is, so don't overdo it. It's literally where your natural shadow of your lip is. And I like to apply a lighter tone on the top lip. Okay, there you go. Now I'm gonna do also Kat Von D, if I can open this. It's a beautiful package, by the way. It's really lovely. This one is new. I was playing basketball the other day and I fell off. Ridiculous. And I fell off with my hands, so I have very little strength on my hands now. I've been doing like exercise and physiotherapy, so hopefully soon they will be back to normal. Okay, I managed to open. Okay, so I'm gonna paint on the outside of the lip. Inside, sorry, inside. Okay, and now I'm gonna do Fenty just on the center and on the top lip. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little bit of powder. So I'm not a very big fan of powder, but I apply it where I think it's more makes your skin more flawless, and I like to apply here. A little bit here. A little bit here on the outside corner of the eyebrow. Close to your nose, like here. You want to leave still shine on the cupid bow, not under the nose. And then you're just gonna buff it in. Like, take the extra powder. Sometimes I do a little bit here as well, so I am gonna do it. I don't want to see like too much shine on the center, so and I can still add a little bit of gloss. This is from Sephora actually. I like this. This is new. Thank you for watching, guys.